Today is 226. 226. Oh, Miss O'Malley. 926. Imagine if it was 226, we would almost be done with the school year. All right. We're going to be multiplying mixed numbers. Oh, I kind of did this already with you, right? Yesterday. All right, so quick. We'll do it real fast again. What if I have 5 1/4 times 3/7? So what do I have to do first?
Multiply 5 and 4 and add 1.
Yep. Turn it into an improper fraction. So I'm going to multiply this and add this going this way. What do I get? What's my improper fraction? 21/4 times 3/7. Do I really want to multiply 21 times 3 and then 4 times 7?
You do the thing that you tell us to.
Yes. Simplify the corners. I would totally simplify the corners. So I'm going to cover up. That's a 7. That's a beautiful 7. Can I simplify 4 and 3? No. So then I look at 21 and 7. What can I divide 21 and 7?
By 7.
By 7. Divide by 7. So I'm going to divide this by 7, divide this by 7. What's 21 divided by 7? 3. So I no longer have 21. I now have 3. What's 7 divided by 7? 1. No longer have this. All right, what do we equal to? 9/4. Which is equal to what? 2 1/4. 2 1/4. Oh. Huh. I feel like in high school, you leave all your answers as an improper fraction. They like them as improper. Okay, maybe not all your teachers, but most of your high school teachers want you to leave it like that. I'm probably the last grade that you get to turn them into mixed numbers. All right, let's see. Let's think of a good fraction. Mixed number. What should be a good mixed number? 11 3/7 times 7/20. Let's see if that works out the way I want it to work out. All right. Can you turn that into an improper before I do? An improper before I do. Good. That's the answer I'm looking for. All right, what's the improper? 80/70 times 7/20. Do I really want to do 80 times 7? Definitely do not want to. Get 560. And then 7 times 20. Oof, terrible. But look at the corner, 7 and 7. So what can I divide 7 and 7 by? 7. And we get 1. It worked out perfectly how I envisioned it. And then 20 and 80, what can I divide by? 20. Take this and divide by 20. Take this and divide by 20. What's 20 divided by 20? 1. And then what's 80 divided by 20? 4. Right? Now look at these beautiful numbers, right? So, what is this equal to? 4/1. What happened? I know, right? Right here. Welcome. We did a little tiny switch. Just a little bit.
A little?
Yeah. Yeah, nothing major, right, guys? Come on, Guadalupe. It's just a little minor change. Some of you completely switch. Huh. All right, what is 4 over 1 equal to at the very end? 4. Every time you have it over 1, it's just that whole number. All right. Are we okay? Do we need one more for Guadalupe. Let's make it hard. Ooh. 13 3/5 times 40 over 15, 1, 65, 68. I don't know what to do. Quick, give me a number. 30? 27? 67?
Yeah.
67? Why 67? What other dudes? 70? Oh, there's another trick I can show you, but not with this problem. All right, what's 13 times 5 plus 3? So you have 68 over 5 times 40 over 70. Do you really want to do 68 times 40? No. I don't even want to. I'm a teacher. Shush. So I'm going to simplify the corners. This was the easiest corner. 5 and 40. What can I divide 5 and 40 by? 5. All right, divide it both by 5. You do it before I do it. You divide by 5. Divide by 5. Divide by 5. Divide by 5. What's 40 divided by 5? 8. What's 5 divided by 5? 1. Ooh, 68 and 70. 2. Divide by 2. Divide by 2. Now, this is extremely easier for you if you know your multiplication. If you struggle with your multiplication, when you look at 5 and 40, you might not see 5. So, practice your times table. Practice your times tables. What's 68 divided by 2? 34. So this is 34. 70 divided by 2? 35. All right. It's still ugly. What's 1 times 35? 35. And 34 times 8. I have no idea what third. Yeah, because it's times.
Oh, yeah.
Because it's like I simplified 68 to 34, so now I get to use a 34 times the 8. 4 times 8 is 32, carry the 3. 3 times 8 is 24, plus 3 is 27. 272 over 35. We can leave it like that, my students. We can. Wow, that's crazy. I didn't realize it was gonna get this hard. I mean, this is fine. You should be able to do it, you know. You should be able to do like the first one we did. You know, first one's pretty straightforward, not too complicated for ourselves. All right. If you need your multiplication table, please have it out. There's no need to suffer. I am. All right. Let's see. You're probably not going to do this whole worksheet. Unless you're bad. Your holes are on the left side when it's the front side. Holes are on the left, and that makes at the front. More or less? More. Do you? Oh, here, wait. Hand it over this way. I did that on purpose. All right. We're all good? Everybody has a piece of paper now? All right, cool. Multiply mixed numbers. Grade 5? What? What do you mean this is 5th grade? Yeah. It's 5th grade. It's 5th grade. All right. I'll do number 1 with you. Did you do it in 5th grade?
Yes.
Yep.
Is that the first year back from COVID?
Yeah.
Cool. So 4th grade you spent at home. And 3rd grade you only did half-ish. Okay. What do you learn in 4th grade?
I don't remember. I couldn't see like everything. Yeah, I did English class.
All right. So let's do it. What makes a 7th grade? When I put a negative on there. When I stick a negative in one, then it becomes 7th grade. All right. So 6 over 4 times 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23 over 6. Miss Amelia, do I have to show work? Yeah, you do. All right, now what? Do I just multiply 6 times 23? If you want to, but I wouldn't. If I cover up the corners, you see 6 and 6?
Yes.
What can I divide 6 and 6 by? 6. So divide this by 6. Divide this by 6. If they're the same number, you can divide by that number. So what do the 6 become? 1s. Cross them out. All right, what's my first answer when you multiply? 23 over 4. And I'm going to be nice. You can leave it as an improper fraction. I know. I'm so giving. So nice to you. I should stop. Let's do the first column. So do the odd numbers. That's fine. Do the odd numbers. Miss Mel, I don't know what the odd numbers are. Okay, do all of them. Just kidding. Do the odd ones. What are odd?
1, 3, 5.
Good. Odd numbers. You're going to do the odd numbers. What are odds? 1, 3, 5, 7. So you're going to do the left side. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
All right, cool. Miss O'Malley, I need more room to show work. Show it in your notebook and then take a picture of it. Wherever you're going to show work, you're going to take a picture of that. All right, are we okay?
Yeah.
All right, start number 3. I'm going to do it quietly up here. Oh, this is so easy. I wonder if they did that on purpose. So once you turn them into improper, you see that they both have a 5. So divide by 5 on both. When you're simplifying on the back and you're looking at, for example, 14 and 21, and you're like, I don't know what I can divide 14 and 21 by, let's pretend. What you do is you go into your multiplication table and you look for those numbers. So what numbers am I looking for? I'm looking for 14 and 21, and you look for it on the same line or the same column. So if I go to the number... that's really loud. If I go to the number 2, come on, let's go, come on. If I look at the number 2, do I see a 7? Nope, so I don't use it. 3, do I see a 7? Nope, can't use it. 4, do I see a 7? Nope. 5, do I see a 7? No. 6, no. 7, do I see... Oh, I'm sorry, I was supposed to look for 14. Just kidding. Sorry, my bad. I was supposed to look for 14 and 21. So on 2, I do see the 14. So I'm like, yes, I can use the 2. But do I see a 21? No, so I can't use 2. I go down to 3. Do I have a 14 on 3? Nope. On 4? Nope. 5? Nope. 6? Nope. 7. Do I see a 14? Yes, there it is. I'm happy. Do I see a 21? Yes, it's right there. So 14 and 21 are on the same line, which means I can use the 7. That's what I can simplify by. So I can divide this by 7 and this by 7. This is how you use a multiplication table to simplify. Some of you can do this in your head. Others, you're going to need a multiplication table, and that's okay. You're going to find these two numbers, and then your answer is on top. What's my answer? 2 over 3. And we're done. Now, 12 and 21. Where do I find 12 and 21 on the same line? What can I divide 12 and 21 by? 6. Can I divide 21 by 6? If I go to 6, do I see a 21 on here? Nope. So I cannot use 6. 3. You can also think about it as, what numbers can I divide 12 by? I can divide 12 by 1, by 2, by 3, by 4, by 6, and by 12, right? These are all the numbers that I can divide 12 by. Which of these numbers also work with 21? 2 does not work, 4 does not work, 6, 12 do not work. The only number that works is the number 3. That's the number I use to simplify. So there's a couple of different ways to figure out that magical number that works. If you know your multiplication tables really well, this is a lot easier. That's the root of the problem, your multiplication table. All right, how many can we